Now that you know how the joysticks on the remote control work, let's take a closer look at the buttons on the front and top. The 8 buttons on the front are broken into 2 groups of 4, each having up, down, left, and right buttons. 2 groups of up and down buttons make up the additional 4 buttons on the top of the remote control. The number closest to a button indicates what group it belongs to. For example, the 2 buttons on the top right of the remote control are below the number 6, indicating that they belong to button group 6. Recall how the joystick sends signals to the robot. Each joystick has an X and Y axis, and the values sent to the robot correspond to the positions of the joysticks. Any value between positive 127 and negative 127 could be sent. Buttons send signals to the robot too, but buttons are either pressed or released. A pressed button sends a value of 1, and a released button sends the value of 0. In Robot C, when we wanted to access the value of a joystick, we use the command vexrt channel number. Accessing button values in Robot C is very similar. The vexrt command is still used, but now you use the letters btn, followed by the group number it belongs to, and finally the letter U, D, L, or R, depending on the button's direction. For example, if you wanted to access the value of the down button on the front left of the remote control, you would use vexrt btn 7D, short for vexrt button group 7 down. Let's review. There are 2 groups of 4 buttons on the front of your remote control, and 2 additional groups of 2 on the top. A button, when pressed, sends a value of 1 to the robot, and 0 when released. In Robot C, the value of a button is accessed using the vexrt command, followed by the letters btn, the group number, and a letter indicating the button's direction. In this lesson, you learned how the buttons on the remote control work, and how to access their values in Robot C. Now move on to the next few lessons to use them to control when your robot starts, and to move the arm up and down.